If you use your oven with any regularity, it's probably a little grimy. Everyday use coupled with grease spills and other tough stains can definitely take a toll. So today I'm going to show you how to clean out your oven with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Keep in mind that this DIY oven cleaner needs to sit overnight, so make sure you don't need to use your oven for at least 8 to 10 hours after applying it. Alright, here's what you need to get started. Dish gloves, baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, a spray bottle, and a sponge. This DIY method is particularly great if your oven doesn't have a self-clean function, but it's also a great spot treatment for tough stains if you don't want to use harsh chemicals. Take the racks out of your oven. If they're looking dirty, consult your user manual to see if they're dishwasher safe. Otherwise, just hand wash them in warm soapy water and set them aside to dry. Next, use a wet sponge to wipe out any loose food particles. Then, in a bowl, mix 3 parts of baking soda with 1 part water to make your cleaning paste. Using the same sponge, apply the cleaner to your oven, focusing on areas that look especially dirty, but don't put the paste directly on the heating elements. This next step might be the hardest part yet. It's time to close the oven and let the paste sit overnight. After about 8 hours, it's finally time to remove the cleaning paste. Wet a sponge with warm water and clean out the baking soda. The paste will have hardened overnight, so you'll probably need to give the sponge an occasional rinse. And if there are any leftover stains that still won't budge, grab a spatula to scrape up the remaining food. Fill a spray bottle with 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. Spray the oven with the mixture and wipe away any leftover baking soda stains or food. And that's it. You're done. You can return the oven racks to your oven and start cooking again. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All. That's CNET's YouTube channel dedicated to all things how-to. Guys, you're taking all the cookies. Dave.